find mean, median and mode for the given data. So class intervals are given as 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and frequencies are given as 2, 4, 7, 1, 5, 3. For the same question, I am going to find mean by two methods, then median, then mode. Mean direct method and then assume mean method I am going to solve. So first let us go with mean by direct method. So first column should be class intervals, then the second column should be frequency. This first column as it is from the question we will write, frequency also as it is we will write from the question itself. So let us fill those. Class intervals are given 0 to 10, 10 to 20 till 50 to 60. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 10 to 30, sorry 20 to 30, oh one more is missing, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, then coming to 50 to 60. Then writing frequencies 2, 4, 7, 1, 5, 3, 2, 4, 7, 1, 5, 3. From the given question, first row class interval you write it here as the first column, second row write it as the second column. Now coming to the third column, that is class marks represented with xi. So what exactly this class marks is nothing but class interval you need to take, add it 0 plus 10, make it by 2. 0 plus 10, 10, 10 divided by 2, 5, write that 5 here. Next, go with the second class interval. 10 and 20 is there, right? So 10 plus 20 divided by 2. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 by 2, it is 15. So now the remaining all, no need to do this total process. Just by observing the pattern here, we can write remaining all. 5 and 15, what is the difference? 10 is the difference, right? So 5 plus 10 is 15. The same way, 15 plus 10, 25. 25 plus 10, 35. 35 plus 10, 45. 45 plus 10, 55. These are the class marks. Then fourth column. Fourth column and the final column, that is FIXI. Second column and third column numbers we need to multiply and we need to write that answer in the last column. So let us write once. 2 into 5, 10. Then 4 into 15, 15 4s are 60. 7 into 25, 175. 1 into 35, 35. 5 into 45, 225. 3 into 55, 165. This is the fourth column, FIXI. Now, this fourth column, we need to add and we need to write that as sigma FIXI. The same way, second column also we need to do addition and we need to write that as sigma Fi. So let us add these frequencies first. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 1, 14, 14 plus 5, 19, 19 plus 3, 22. So sigma Fi is equals to 22. The same way, let us add FIXI column also. 10 plus 60, 70. 70 plus 175, it is 245. 245 plus 35, 280. 280 plus 225, 505. 505 plus 165, 670. So sigma FIXI is equals to 670. So we are going to find the mean by direct method. So the formula is mean x bar equals to sigma FIXI divided by sigma Fi. This is the formula for direct method. So sigma FIXI we got it as 670 divided by sigma Fi we got it as 22. So 670 if we divide with 22 we will get the answer as 30.5. 30.45. So the mean of the given data is 30.45. Next, same again, mean only we will find, but this time the different method, that is assumed mean method. In this assumed mean method also, the first column is as usual class intervals only. So in the question, class interval starting from 0 to 10, right? So 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, then 30 to 40, 40 to 50, finally 50 to 60. Next, frequencies, this is also given in the question itself, that is 24715. 247153. 247153. Now the third column is as it is class marks only, that is xi. How we will find out the class marks? 0 plus 10 by 2. 0 plus 10 by 2. 0 plus 10, 10. 10 by 2, it is 5. Next, second class interval, 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20 divided by 2. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 by 2, it is 15. So now if we observe the pattern, we will rewrite the remaining all without any calculation only. For 5, if we add 10, we will get 15, right? So continuously keep on adding 10, 10. 15 plus 10, 25. 25 plus 10, 35. 35 plus 10, 45. 45 plus 10, 55. So these are the class marks. Then fourth column. This fourth column is DI, which is nothing but XI minus A. So what exactly this is? Nothing but in this XI, that is in the third column, any number you pick, that is your wish. Most of the persons will take from the middle, but it is not at all mandatory. Any number you can take. So I am taking the first number. Now from every number of this xi, you need to subtract that chosen number. So from the first number, 5 minus 5, 0. 15 minus 5, 10. 25 minus 5, 20. 35 minus 5, 30. 45 minus 5, 40. 55 minus 5, 50. So these are DI values. Then the last and final column is FIDI. So this frequency column and this DI column, both we need to do multiplication. So let us do that. 2 into 0, 0. 4 into 10, 40. 7 into 20, 140. 1 into 30, it is 30. 5 into 40, 200. 3 into 50, 150. So now, as usual, like the previous method only, we need to add all the frequencies and we need to add all this FIDI. Frequencies, if we add 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 1, 14, 14 plus 5, 19, 19 plus 3, 22. Next, adding all these FIDI. 0 plus 40, 40. 40 plus 140, 180. 180 plus 30, 210. 210 plus 200, 410. 410 plus 150, 560. So now the formula for finding the mean by assumed mean method is A plus sigma FIDI divided by sigma Fi. So A value, in this we took the A value as 5. So in the place of A, substitute 5 plus sigma FIDI, that number we got it as 150 divided by sigma Fi 22. 5 plus 150 divided by 22. Oh, sorry. Here FIDI is not 150 because last number only 150, right? Let us add all this again. 0 plus 40, 40. 40 plus 140, 180. 180 plus 30. 210. 210 plus 200, 410. 410 plus 150. It is 560. Sorry. 560. This is 560. So here 560. Okay. 5 plus 560 divided by 22. It is 25.45. 5 plus 25.45. 25 plus 5 is 30. So 30.45. The mean of the given data is 30.45. Now this answer you can compare with the previous one also. In both the cases you will get the same answer. Definitely you need to get the same answer only. This is mean by direct method 30.45. This is mean by assume mean method. So 30.45. Both the cases we got the same answer. Now let us find mode. First column class interval, then second column frequencies. Class intervals started from 0 to 10, right? So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. And the frequencies 2, 4, 7, 1, 5, 3. 2, 4, 7, 1, 5, 3. Now we are going to find out the mode of the given data. Mode is nothing but more. So in all the frequencies, the biggest number we need to select. Here the biggest number is 7. So this 7 we will write it as F1. Before the F1 what number will be there? That is F0. After the F1 which number will be there? That will become F2. In the F1 row, which class interval will be there? In that, the lower number will become L, that is lower boundary. Okay, now let us write the formula for mode. The formula for mode is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Let us substitute one by one number now. First L is 20 plus F1 minus F0. F1 is 7, F0 is 4. 7 minus 4 divided by 2F1, 2 into 7 minus F0, F2, 4 minus 1 into H. What is this H then? Any class interval you take and do subtraction. For example, I am taking 50 to 60. 60 minus 50, 10. That H value will be 10. Okay, now let us simplify this. 20 plus 7 minus 4, 3 divided by 2 7s are 14 minus 4 minus 1 into 10. 20 plus 3 by 14 minus 4, 10. 10 minus 1, 9 into 10. 3 1s are 3 3s are. So we remains with 20 plus 1 10s are 10 divided by 3. So 20 plus 10 divided by 3. It is 3.3. 20 plus 3.3. 23.3. So the mode of the given data is 23.3. Next, finding median. First column class interval, second column frequencies. So class interval, let us write from the question as it is: 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, then finally 50 to 60. Let us write the frequencies: 2, 4, 7, 1, 5, 3. 2, 4, 7, 1, 5, 3. Now in this median, one extra column will be there. That column is cumulative frequencies, in simple CF. Cumulative frequencies. Wow, we will write that cumulative frequency. Write the first number as it is 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 19 plus 3, 22. So these are the cumulative frequencies. Now in the cumulative frequencies, whatever the last number we got, that number we will take it as n. So n equals to 22. Now let us write the formula for median. In that formula, still if any unknown terms are there, means let us find out what exactly that is. So the formula for median is L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. So L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. Okay, here n by 2 we got. So n value we got, right? Then let us do by 2 for that. N by 2 nothing but 22 by 2, that is 11. Now from the cumulative frequency we need to find out the numbers which are greater than 11. So these all 4 numbers are greater than 11, right? From these all the numbers we need to pick the smallest number, that is 13. So the total row you highlight. Then this 7 will become the frequency. Above that, this will become cumulative frequency, and this 20 will become L. So I hope now everything we got from the formula. Okay, let us substitute in the formula now. L value 20 plus n by 2 11 minus cumulative frequency 6 divided by frequency 7 into h. Any class interval you pick. 60 minus 50, 10. So the h value will be 10. 20 plus 11 minus 6, 5 by 7 into 10, which is equals to 20 plus 5 tens are 50 divided by 7. 20 plus 50 divided by 7, 7.1. 20 plus 7.1, 27.1. So the median of the given data is 27.1.